At the beginning of the project, we set the challenge to build the most powerful scrubber dryer in our range. It turned out to be the most powerful on the market. We have equipped GMG with everything it is needed to make it the most effective in the worst conditions. A high-performance machine with which to achieve the best result in the shortest time. Inspired by the market and our partners, we have brought the most cutting-edge features of the performance line to an impressive and unstoppable machine that is so powerful you can't help but put it to the test and see that it's always up to the task.
GMG è una macchina pensata per spazi molto grandi, centri logistici, magazzini, parcheggi multipiano, industrie, aeroporti, luoghi in cui è essenziale essere rapidi ed efficaci.
GMG cleans floors at a speed of 9 km per hour. No other machine can do that. The advantage in productivity is simply outstanding. And with lithium-ion batteries, we've increased the working autonomy to 10 continuous hours.
Abbiamo lavorato per rendere la guida leggera e le manovre facili ovunque. GMG è in grado di compiere un'inversione di marcia in un'unica fluida manovra in soli 2,5 metri.
With the rear traction on 2 independent wheels, it doesn't need more space to turn than what it already occupies. It simply rotates on itself. The rear wheel traction combined with the power delivered by the engines makes it easy not only to climb ramps, but also to clean them, with slopes up to 20%. When working in such large spaces, time is a crucial factor. GMG isn't just fast, it's equipped to save time. We have focused on the difficulties that may arise during a cleaning intervention, such as particularly stubborn dirt that requires more scrubbing power. Or stains that may need a localized treatment. We have developed specific solutions and made them all available on board. Even video tutorials and manuals are on board. They can be accessed from the display. Non-digital media is just as simple and straightforward. GMG is the only machine to feature a vacuum system on the side brush. This enables not only to clean along the edges, but to extend the working width so as to cover even more surface area and increase productivity. We haven't skimped on technology. Actually, we've enhanced it to change the user experience and to provide more control over cleaning tasks.
Il computer di bordo mostra sul display la velocità di lavoro, gli aggiornamenti relativi alle batterie, al consumo di energia, alla superficie pulita e all'autonomia residua.
At the same time, we have developed a system that makes operation virtually error-free. With 9 preset work programs, the user starts working immediately without any hesitation, because the choice of settings is done at the touch of a button. 5 programs are established, 4 can be customized according to your needs. The FFM system continuously collects data and makes it available through the My Machine app. At any time, the site manager can check performance, how the machine is being used, the cleaned area, and how the batteries are being charged. A new level of tracking reaches inside buildings, detecting which spaces have already been cleaned and which are still missing. The overview of service performance is comprehensive and becomes a powerful lever in managing major cleaning projects. The look exactly reflects the concept: pure power controlled by technology and a functional design. Mechanical components are protected by an unbreakable body, built with durable plastics. a frame up to 8 millimeters thick, and a steel wraparound bumper.
Nella progettazione abbiamo sviluppato soluzioni su misura per ottenere il massimo nel modo più efficiente. Come i motori brushless, che rispetto ai motori tradizionali dotati di spazzole garantiscono migliori prestazioni, una durata maggiore e non richiedono manutenzione.
GMG is made to work in large spaces. Therefore, the user must be comfortable and feel in total control of the machine.
Abbiamo studiato un ambiente di lavoro ideale, con una disposizione della strumentazione che aiuta a interagire facilmente con la macchina, mantenendo la concentrazione sul senso di marcia.
GMG features the widest possible range of safety equipment to prevent any accidents that may occur during cleaning or during transfer. When the machine has to change environment, it is equipped with the most sophisticated solutions so that safety is always guaranteed to the maximum in any situation. Even in the case of emergency, the intervention is immediate thanks to the connection with your devices.
Non è più possibile progettare senza valutare le conseguenze sull'ambiente. Quando pensiamo ad un nuovo modello, teniamo conto del suo intero ciclo di vita. Le scelte fatte in progettazione determinano l'impatto che il prodotto avrà sull'ambiente, nella produzione, durante l'utilizzo, fino al riciclo.
We engage users towards a more sustainable behavior with resource-saving technologies, dosing and recycling systems, and low consumptions and quiet programs. With GMG, we've gone one step further. While you are working, the display shows a projection of how many resources could be saved by activating the Eco Mode program instead of the one in use. Now we are also able to provide the real figure of the CO2 produced, so as to help contractors identify the starting point for continuous improvement. Right from the start, we have excluded the endothermic engine in favor of lithium batteries, which are more efficient, quieter, produce no emissions, and have much lower maintenance costs. GMG can be fully customized. You can build it up and equip it to meet specific needs. We have developed the scrubbing sweeping version to have the time needed for cleaning when various types of dirt have to be removed. When, in addition to scrubbing, sweeping is also necessary. Instead of using two machines, this version makes it possible, in a single pass, to collect small solid debris and at the same time to scrub and dry the floor. The sweeping side brushes extend the cleaning path and enable to reach the edges and space under shelves. They convey dirt to the center, towards the collection area, guaranteeing outstanding cleaning performance. They are protected by a safety system that retracts them in the event of a collision to prevent damage. Solid dirt is collected in a separate hopper that is easy to empty. GMG is a project we approached with the enthusiasm and freedom to push in every field without reservations, power, size, speed, technology, and innovation. We have designed a powerful, indestructible, super-equipped machine that always gives its best and never fails. An amazing machine. GMG, the best in class.